Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Babo and I'm gonna teach you about Jshell. As I discussed in my last video, I will tell you about Jshell. So I am discussing Jshell in this video. First of all, using Jshell you have to download JDK9. For downloading JDK9, just type on Google, download JDK and many links will open and just click on first. When you click it, this will open and as you can see this time they introduce JDK9 for only 64 bits. They didn't introduce any 32-bit configuration, so make sure you have 64-bit operating system. Just accept their license and agreement and you can download any version or according to your operating system. After downloading, you have to install it and just simply install it. I'm not going to teach you how to install because if you are using computers or laptops, so you already know how to install. After installing JDK9, just you have to set environment path. If you are using Windows, just type environment variables and you can see, just follow these steps and you will get your answer. Okay, environment variables, in make a path variable and give the path of JDK bin. Is it from just go to your program drives and program files, Java, here it is. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, after in apps I paste it, yeah, and click on OK and OK. Yeah, you are ready to use Jshell. For using Jshell you have to do just a little thing. Just type cmd and when you command prompt will open and let's confirm Java is installed correctly. Just type Java C and yeah, if you type Java C dash B, yeah, oh, sorry, Java C dash B version, yeah, it's showing Java under C 9.0.1. just type Jshell and it will take some time for running Jshell. And yes, when it opens Jshell, it shows message welcome to Jshell and version and the second line for introduction type. So you are in Java shell. So I'm going to tell you some basic properties of Jshell. First of all, I am going to teach you how you can print any command without class or main. You have to just type as I suppose I am going to print hello world, so you have to just type system dot out dot println and where is my cursor? Hello world. Yeah, as you can see, it shows output hello world and you can make method simply typing void, sorry guys, void meet. This arrow will show you for writing body of method, so you can type you can write body of method as a system dot out dot println cursor. Oh, yep. And here I close the bracket, just enter, and it shows created method meet. You can just use it. Yep. Hello. So this is the basic functionality, and they introduce goodbye and welcome for when you entered in Jshell they say welcome, and when you exit Jshell they said goodbye. You can see if you want to exit Jshell, there is an option you can click on cross, but if you want to only exit Jshell you can simply type exit. Yep. uh, it shows goodbye and you are out of Jshell. Apart from Jshell, they introduce various categories in which you can enter in Jshell. Like suppose I want to enter in Jshell with snippet mode. Oh, what is this snippet mode? Snippet mode basically they want when you they it will tell you if you created a variable like integer type, it will tell you. I know it's hard to imagine that. I am gonna discuss it detail. Just enter in Jshell again, but this time I am typing something different. Jshell -v. -v is for snippet mode, and when you enter, yep, I'm entered in Jshell, and this time it's different. See the difference. When you type integer x is equal to 45, and yep, as you can see it is telling you created a variable x of type integer, and if you type something like you are making a method like as I'm gonna make a new method void show. I'm sure void show system dot out dot p printl look, and yeah, created method to show. You can simply use any kind of variable, just as I am doub gallery y is equal to 3.14. Yeah, created variable y, and this is the command. And if some basic addition you can do on you can see one thing I would like to mention. When you created a constant, it assign a id to it. As you can see it is assigning $4 to 4. It means I am not declared any variable and not a type of it, but if you want to use it you can just simply type it $4 and it will show you the result. Yeah, I entered $4 and $4 value of $4 integer, which it is a good functionality of Java. It assign a id to integer, which means if you are not giving any variable, if you are not giving any kind of data type to any variable and you just entered it, it automatically assign a id to that variable, as you can use it after some time. This is other cool feature of Jshell, and because of it, it's my very short video. This much I can explain. If you like it and you want to know more about Jshell, just comment on my channel and I will make it for you. Hopefully you will like it, and that's all. Goodbye.